As we see kick-off here, and it is showtime. With a solid hit up, good counter-rucking by the Brumbies though, putting the Fijian halves under pressure. Flung out the back. Oh, that is lovely stuff. Rakuru goes down the sideline, gets away from one, and Rakuru goes under the sticks. That is explosive stuff by the Fijian Drua. So here's where they're dangerous, the Brumbies, and go to big Lachlan Shaw. Advantage being played as they drive forward now. Billy Pollard. Billy Pollard's going to go close, and Billy Pollard is going to barge over and score. Strong touches as well. They go wide. Thought they may have tried to set up the play there, but no, they're looking to play quickly again here. Fijian Drua have the Brumbies in trouble, and it's Drua SASA.
Over the 15.
Oh, that's a well won there. As they drive forward now, the Brumbies, and that's a try. The rolling maul rolls on once more here at Viking Park. This time, it's the Fijian Drua. Another short ball, this time Samavodre gets it. Oh, that's lovely work by the winger. Rakuru getting over, coming off the left wing, all the way over to the right, getting himself involved. Too much room to run, and now they have plenty of advantage. And offside is the call. Charlie Cale goes around now. He's looking for support. He's a crowd favourite here. So come across. Oh, that's too easy. And Hudson Brighton goes over in the corner. And the Fijian Drua there just switched off in defence. A case of the old dropsies here at Viking Park. Now the counter-attack. Corey Toole.
Benny Driver for the knock-on.
That is, again, Cale finds support on the outside through Wilcox. Going for the corner. And he gets the ball down to the Brumbies. We've now decided with 5 minutes remaining, let's make a game of this in front of the home fans. Ball comes out now. The Fijian Drua have the ball. They'll go wide straight away, drawing and passing. Oh, this looks good. This could be a try here. Momo with one to beat, stepped inside, over the top. Oh, the handoff, and that is spectacular. Early in the season, Boda going over. Now they come wide. This is going to be trouble here. Kennedy. That's a nice tackle there. Advantage now. They might not need it. As Thorne tries to take something away. He's over, is he? Yes, he is. Good opportunistic halfback sneak. And this is good stuff here. As they roll forward, the Brumbies. It's on the side, it's at the back, and they are in a very good position to roll this maul forward. Stanky, I think, has the ball. Thorne goes short side. Untouched. Nice work. Thorne goes to grab it, but the forwards all in his way. Alatini can't get it. Comes out the back. Now this is surely going to be a try. Yes, it is. Absolute. Going over. To open up the trials for the Super Rugby season. Look at that. Well-deserved try.